tooling machines also. This machine is giving round about 1 lakh tablet per hour capacity. This machine, this is 27 double roti tableting machine.
Okay.
UP government. We are supplying to army, we are supplying to railways, like you can say this department.
Okay, great.
Moving forward, once we had a
Yes, we are also present in international countries like Nigeria, Kenya and Myanmar. So hoping to see
local companies. Our speciality is gases sprays, DPI, and internationally accreditations we hold is Health Canada, X Ukraine. We do supply to Ukraine and Canadian market as well as ROW markets.
Dealing in all the categories of like anti-malarial, anti-cancer, nutraceuticals, and nasal and eye drops also we are doing. Formulations we are doing.
Okay.
All
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक वंस अगेन टू माय चैनल। स्वागत है आप सभी का मेरी आज की इस नई वीडियो में। सो टुडे आई हैव रीच्ड भारत मंडपम, जहाँ पर कि चल रहा है आईफेक्स 2025। दिस इज़ एन एग्जीबिशन विच इज़ डेडिकेटेड टू फार्मास्यूटिकल इंडस्ट्री, टू दी हेल्थ केयर इंडस्ट्री। तो आप भी यहाँ पर आ सकते हैं अगर आप मेडिकल इंडस्ट्री से रिलेटेड हैं, और अगर आप फार्मेसी से रिलेटेड हैं तो आप यहाँ पर आ सकते हैं, क्योंकि यहाँ पर आपको देखने को मिलेंगी 700+ फार्मा एग्जिबिटर्स। तो अगर आप कोई बिज़नेस ऑलरेडी कर रहे हैं मेडिसिन का, या फिर कोई मेडिसिन का बिज़नेस स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं, तो यहाँ पर आपको गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी। आप अपना बिज़नेस स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं। यहाँ पर आकर आप डायरेक्ट मैन्युफैक्चरर से मिल सकते हैं, जो कि डिफरेंट टैबलेट्स, मेडिसिन, सिरप्स बनाते हैं, और भी बहुत कुछ देखने को मिलेगा। मशीनरी देखने को मिलेगी जो कि यूज़ होती है टैबलेट्स बनाने के लिए। तो अंदर चल के मैं आपको एक्सप्लोर करके दिखाऊंगी, और कंपनीज़ के बिज़नेस कार्ड्स भी शेयर करूंगी, ताकि अगर आप यहाँ पर ना आ सकें तो भी आप अगर जुड़ना चाहें डिफरेंट फार्मा कंपनीज़ से तो जुड़ सकते हैं। तो काफ़ी मेगा ये इवेंट है। प्रगति मैदान आपको आना है, भारत मंडपम के हॉल नंबर 2, 3, 4, 5 में ये चल रहा है, और 3 डेज़ का ये इवेंट है। 4th, 5th एंड 6th सितंबर मॉर्निंग 10 to 6 आप यहाँ पर आ सकते हैं। और अगर आप मेट्रो से आते हैं, नियरेस्ट मेट्रो स्टेशन इसका सुप्रीम कोर्ट रहने वाला है। और अगर आप अपनी गाड़ी से आते हैं तो आपको यहाँ पर पेड पार्किंग मिल जाएगी, आप आराम से गाड़ी पार्क करके आ सकते हैं। सो अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए आए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, क्योंकि मैं ऐसी इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियोज़ आप लोगों के लिए लेकर आती हूँ। तो चलिए चलते हैं अंदर और एक्सप्लोर करते हैं इसको। So right now I have reached Regal Laboratories, which is a company from Amritsar.
We are based at Amritsar, and we are the manufacturer of pharmaceutical goods formulations. We are the manufacturer of pharmaceutical formulations.
So he's Mr. Amit Pawar, who is the export head of this company, and he's looking after all the exports. So he's going to brief us about the products which their company is manufacturing, and the different countries, different clients they are exporting to. Yes.
The Regal Laboratories manufacturing the goods in the form of tablet, capsule, syrup, ointment, dry syrup. And we are exporting the medicines near about 35 countries. Like Southeast Asia we are doing, Middle East we are doing African market as well, and the Latin market.
Okay.
And it's a 25-year-old company, and we have very good product quality. And we have dealing in all the categories of like anti-malarial, anti-cancer, nutraceuticals, and nasal and eye drops also we are doing. Formulations we are doing.
Okay.
All kind of categories.
Okay.
You can contact.
So right now I have reached New Search Pharma Impex, which is a company based out of Jaipur, and this is also a pharma company. This is also manufacturing different kinds of medicines, tablets, syrups.
Hi, I'm Vidhi from New Search Pharma, and we are exhibiting at Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi from the 4th to 6th of September. So we are a Jaipur-based company, and we are into nutraceuticals as well as we do neuropsychiatric medicines from the past 28 years. All our products are WHO GMP certified, whereas we are also present in international countries like Nigeria, Kenya and Myanmar. So hoping to see you at Bharat Mandapam from 4th to 6th September, hall number 3 and stall number 3C11. Thank you, see you, bye-bye.
Thank you. So this is Monique Pharmaceuticals Private Limited, a company from Faridabad, and they are also the manufacturer of medicines and all.
My name is Amit Kumar Srivastava. I am taking care of sales and marketing in Monique Pharmaceuticals. Let me introduce to my boss, Mr. Manoj Singla. He is the backbone of the plant. Let me brief you about our journey, how we started. Mr. Manoj, by profession, he is a doctor. That's how he started with his first pharmacy chain.
Okay.
Started from pharmacy, then we made couple of pharmacies in Delhi NCR, and after that we landed into the government business, which is
Okay.
like supply to CGHS, ESI. We were one of the biggest L1 category distributor, supplying to CGHS, ISI and some other government institution. Moving forward, our vision was to come into the manufacturing side. That's how we have started our manufacturing plant, which is situated in Faridabad. No need to go to Baddi and other far places. We can serve our clients' requirements from here. We are GMP certified. Our GLP is in process, and in couple of months we will go with WHO certified plant.
Okay.
So I can say in a way that in the early next year, in 2026, we will be GMP WHO certified plant, including GLP.
Okay.
Primarily focus is our business is mostly for the government sector. We've been supplying to government, Indian government, like you can say UP government. We are supplying to army. We are supplying to railways, like you can say this department.
Okay, great.
Moving forward, once we had a WHO, our aim is to enter into the international market, for which we are preparing from now. So hopefully once we have our next fair, next meeting, we'll be having some onboard international clients with us.
Okay,
That's
all the
it.
best.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
So right now I have reached Cymec Pharmatech, which is a company from Gujarat, Ahmedabad, and
From Gujarat, yeah.
okay. So he is Mr. Chandrasekhar Yadav, who is going to brief us about the kind of machines which their company is manufacturing.
We are from Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Cymec Pharmatech Private Limited. We are mainly manufacturing tableting plant machineries.
Okay.
In tableting, you can say complete granulation line, which includes a fruit bed dryer, octagon blender, multi-mill shifter, gas kettle.
Okay.
This is the granulation line equipment. We also manufacturing complete compression tableting machineries like 27D tooling, 37D tooling, 45D tooling, 51D tooling, and other B tooling machines also. This machine is giving around about 1 lakh tablet per hour capacity. This is 27 double roti tableting machine.
Okay.
We are having even 5 lakh tablet per hour capacity also, which is 51 station detooling machine. That
Okay,
is
very
the
nice.
interchangeable turret machine. You can change the turret immediately within 2 hours.
Okay.
51D to 65B and 75BB also you can convert it.
Okay. So what is the price of this machine?
This machine average price is 10 lakh rupees. This
Average price is
machine
10 lakh rupees for this machine. Okay. So if you would like to share the business card of yours so that viewers can get in touch with you if somebody is interested.
Yeah, I will give you my business card to you.
Okay.
Not an issue.
So right now I have reached at the pavilion of Saba Healthcare, which is a company from Pune, and they are the manufacturers of pharma products, and they are catering to the domestic market as well as the international market.
I look after ROW markets, international business for Sava. Sava is a company. Sava is a manufacturer. We have a manufacturing unit in Nagar, Ahmedabad. And our headquarters, corporate office is in Pune. We are a manufacturer for many local companies. Our specialty is nasal sprays, DPI, And internationally, the accreditations we hold is Health Canada, PICS Ukraine. We do supply to Ukraine and Canadian market as well as ROW markets now. We are brand leader in fluticasone propionate and also other segments we are exploring. As company, we are also present in domestic in veterinary business as well as in herbal business. So he is Mr. Manish.
Myself, Manish Dave. I am looking contract manufacturing for India, and we are supplying to all 100 companies in India for nasal spray product and dry powder inhaler products.
Okay. Very nice. So if somebody wants to get in touch with you, if you can share your business cards.
Yes.
Yeah. So right now I have reached Carbamide Forte, which is a company from Mumbai, and आप देख सकते हैं ये अपने सारे प्रोडक्ट्स इन्होंने यहाँ पर लेके आए हुए हैं, डिस्प्ले करे हुए हैं.
फार्मा इंडस्ट्री में 1976 से 50 years old फार्मा कंपनी है और अभी न्यूट्रा सेगमेंट में है. Carbamide Forte अमेज़ॉन पे बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस है, बहुत
ओके.
हमारे पास सारे प्रोडक्ट है, चाहे वो आयुर्वेदिक हो, चाहे ऑर्गेनिक हो, चाहे
अच्छा.
सप्लीमेंट हो या मेडिसिनल और हम 23+ कंट्रीज में ऑलरेडी
एक्सपोर्ट भी कर रहे हैं.
सारी डॉक्यूमेंटेशन गो टू स्टेप है Carbamide Forte फॉर एनी एक्सपोर्ट क्लाइंट स्टार्ट देयर
एक्सपोर्ट बिजनेस अगर कोई स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं तो आपसे जुड़ सकते हैं, है ना, और अपना एक्सपोर्ट का काम स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं.
सारे Carbamide Forte के पास
ओके. अच्छा, ये सारे सर्टिफिकेशंस हैं आपके पास. ओके, वेरी नाइस. सो फ्रेंड्स, ये थी आज की वीडियो. आई होप आपको वीडियो इंटरेस्टिंग लगी होगी और ऐसी इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियोस देखने के लिए आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो टिल एंड. मिलते हैं आपसे अगली वीडियो में बहुत ही जल्दी. थैंक यू.